What's up, everybody? Chef Seymour here, and today is season 2, episode 4 of Cooking with Chef Seymour. I hope you all had a good Christmas and a happy New Year. To spice things up coming into this new year, how about we make something fun? Let's make some mozzarella sticks and cheese fries. The ingredients will be listed on the screens as always. Here I have my mozzarella cheese sticks, and what I'm simply gonna do is slice them in half. They should look like this. Now let's make our coating. So here I have some Italian panko breadcrumbs, and then you can put how much ever you want. Then I'm gonna take 1/4 cup of flour. Actually, let's go 2/4. So what you want to do now is take your mozzarella stick and dip it in your egg mixture, roll it in the flour, and then in the breadcrumbs. We're actually going to double dip it, so do the process over again. We want to make sure that our coating sticks on to the cheese stick very good. It should look like this. Do that same process to all your cheese sticks, and then you can fry them. Now that all of your cheese sticks has been coated, you can drop them in your 365 preheated deep fryer and let them cook until golden brown. Here are our fries. I've taken the time to cut our potato into French fry shapes. Now let's drop our fries. So we are going to put them in our fryer, and we are going to fry them at 365 until golden brown. Let's add some toppings to our cheese fries. So I'm gonna add 2 strips of bacon into my skillet, and we're gonna cook it on medium heat for 5 minutes or till done. Now let's make our marinara sauce. So here I have 1 small can of tomato sauce. Then I have some Italian seasoning. You can do about 5 shakes. And let that simmer for 5 minutes on medium to low heat. Now let's add our cheese to our fries. So here I have some shredded cheddar cheese, and I'm gonna put a handful of cheese on my lined baking sheet, and I'm going to let that cook for 3 to 5 minutes. And now that everything's come together, here it is. I added our bacon and I added some chives to the top of our cheese fries. Then here is our homemade marinara sauce and then some ranch. And to go along with our snacks, let's make a kitty cocktail. What a kitty cocktail is ginger ale and grenadine syrup. I'm gonna fill our cup up with ice and ginger ale. And then a splash of grenadine syrup. Now let's taste it. Let's go for one of our mozzarella sticks. Look how good that looks. Secondly, our cheese fries. Just get all this good stuff on there. So let's dip it in some of our ranch. The cheesy flavor and the nice and crispy bacon, those are some good cheese fries. And finally, let's wash all that down with our homemade kitty cocktail. Cheers. I want to thank you all for joining me on today's episode. I wish you all nothing but the best this year. I love you guys, and I'm out.